Happy first anniversary to Vetra! Exactly 1 year ago, we embarked on this wonderful journey to learn Persian together through stories. Over the past year, thanks to your support, 95 educational story videos published.
35,000 total views.
And 700 amazing learners in our community. Thank you so much for every like, comment, and view. Your enthusiasm keeps this channel growing every day. What has been your favorite story or level so far? Let me know in the comments. Keep learning and stay tuned for year 2.